Welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing. And in today's video, I've only got one Hot Wheels. I went to a store, shelves were kinda dry. I think they just got 8 case because I saw four Ford Superman 4s on the shelves. So, I think they got A case, but not C or D case. Yeah, the only car I managed to get is this Supercharged, and I got it because it has a Moonrise logo. So yeah, let's open it. And here it is. Yeah, Supercharged. Very cool, but unfortunately, it is electric, so that's a shame. But I can pretend this is a gas car. Yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.